Hey there, Airtable enthusiasts. In this video, I will introduce you to a powerful and flexible Plumsail Documents extension that easily creates documents within Airtable database and interface. Let's see how it works. In the Airtable database, you simply select the record or multiple records, click the button to generate documents, and the magic happens. Airtable record data fills the document, and the document gets attached to the corresponding record. Additionally, you can choose to download it, send it by email, or store it in the cloud. Moreover, you can create and manage documents directly from Airtable interface. The process remains the same with a button. Simply click the button and it will run the script that starts the document generation process. You'll see that the resulting document is automatically attached back to the record. You can also choose to email it to the customer, request any signature, or store it securely in the cloud. Now let's dive into the process of creating a button in the Airtable database. I will demonstrate how to configure all the settings using the database created from the product catalog template. I will be creating invoices for the client orders table. First, I'm adding Plumsail Documents extension to the table. Search for Plumsail and click Add. At this point, I need to connect Airtable to my Plumsail account. Once that is done, we can proceed to configure the document generation button. In the drop-down menu, we need to select the document generation process that we want to initiate when the button will be clicked. Since I don't have any processes yet, I click on Create a new one, and this takes us to the Plumsail account where I will set up a document generation process. And you can create a new process from scratch or choose from the ready-to-go templates. For this tutorial, I will go with a pre-made template called Airtable Invoice. It's perfectly tailored for our Airtable extension. Let's give it a name and click Next. And now let's take a moment to focus on how the data from Airtable records align with the documents. In the document template, we use special placeholders, also known as tokens, enclosed in double curly brackets. The tokens are the key to connecting and synchronizing data between Airtable and our documents. Tokens in the document template correspond to tokens in Airtable. To access these tokens in Airtable, click on Show Template Tokens in the settings. You will then see all the tokens available for use in the document template associated with the table. Let's add a few more to our document template to see how you can create templates for use in Airtable. Let's add information on order status to the header. Click on Status and copy the name by simply clicking on it. Back to the template in our Plumsail account, choose Edit Online, and then I'll add order status text and paste the copied token. And let's go a bit further and add thumbnail pictures of the goods in the final invoice. If we open order line item, we can see that it has an image associated with it. It can be easily inserted in the document. In fact, anything you have access in the table can be added in the final document. Let's find a token corresponding to the thumbnail pictures. Click on Settings, then Show Template Tokens. Next, Order Line Items, Image, Value, Thumbnails. Select Large, and then copy the URL. Since it's an image URL, we also need to add a picture formatter to inform the templating engine that it's an image. And I will set the width to 110 pixels. This way you can create templates based on your own documents by simply copying and pasting tokens from Airtable. Click Save and Next. Let's quickly configure the output file settings. I've turned on production mode to remove the Plumsail watermark. Then added the order number token to the output file name. You can choose any token or add more than one. The output file format can be switched to PDF or you can keep it in docx. Templates can be also created in fillable PDF, Excel, and PowerPoint files. Click Save and Next. Next, I'll add delivery methods, so the final invoice is not only attached to the Airtable record, but also, for example, can be emailed to the customer. There are plenty of delivery methods to choose from, and you can add as many as you need. I'll choose Gmail delivery, as I'm already signed into my account in the browser. Now I only need to connect it to my Plumsail account. Let's add email recipient. You can use tokens in this field. For example, if you have your customer's email in the Airtable record. Next is subject line, which can be customized with the help of tokens as well. I'll add order number. As you might have guessed, we can add tokens in the body of the email as well. All done, click Save and Next, and we can go back to Airtable and start the process. And once we're back in Airtable, we can finish setting up the button. In the drop-down menu, select the process we've just created. For the button title, I'll leave Create Invoice, and I will add shopping trolley emoji. Looks nice. Instead of downloading the final document, I will attach it to the corresponding record in the Invoice attachment field. You can create any other field with the attachment type, and it will appear in the drop-down menu. And click Add. Now let's select a record and test the button. And there we have it. Our newly generated invoice is now attached to the record. And product thumbnails are shown as well. You can configure such buttons for other tables or even create as many as you need within one record. For example, print contact or attach receipt. A similar scenario can be applied to Airtable interfaces, as I have mentioned in the beginning of the video. It looks and behaves in a similar way. You click the button and create and send the document. But the logic behind it is a bit different. The button triggers a script that initiates the document generation process. You can find more details on how to configure such button in Airtable interfaces explained in the article in the documentation section for Plumsail Documents on our website. I will link it in the description to this video. If you have any questions, email us at support@plumsail.com or drop us a comment below. And thank you for watching.